How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. Let's do a very quick comparison video with probably two of the most popular microphones on the market, and one very cool microphone from Maono, which has been released a couple of weeks ago. Let's compare it to the Fifine K688, which, by the way, you can hear right now. No post-processing will be added to both microphones. This is a raw audio. I managed to stabilize the levels on both microphones, so both microphones will sound the same in post. But as you can hear right now, this is the Fifine K688. Let's compare it to the MaonoPD200W. And now this is the MaonoPD200W. As you can hear, both microphones sounds very different. I think the PD200W sounds a little bit more natural in my opinion. So you are the judge. Let me know in the comments down below which sound do you prefer, MaonoPD200W or Fifine K688. Let me know in the comments down below.